Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to quickly and easily create a digital signature by using Adobe Photoshop beta version. This will allow you to add a personalized signature to your documents digitally. The first step is to take a pen and paper and write your signature. And after that, you have to take a picture of this and then you have to import this picture to your Photoshop. I have this picture ready. You see there are all the signatures here. For that, I'm going to import this picture to my Photoshop. Here, I'm going to place it right here. And now let's extract our signatures. For that, I'm going to select this by using the marquee tool and then Ctrl J to make a new layer. I'm going to hide this one. And now by keep on selecting this, let's go to the levels. For that, just click here and then click on levels. You will have this panel here. Just hold the Alt key and move your slider to the left. And do the same with this one by holding the Alt key and this slider to your right. And now after this, I'm going to place right here and then select this one, add it right here, and now go to select here, select color range, and then zoom in and select the black color. Increase the fuzziness to about 100 and click on OK. And right after that, just click on this and add a solid color. Choose whatever color you want for your signature to be. Let's choose a black one and then hit on OK. Now let's hide this layer and this one as well. And there you have it. Now you can select this, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Now you can see your signatures are here. Now you can use them digitally in any documents or any picture that you want. You can simply just select this and then crop image and select your size. And this will be enough. Now to save this, just click on File, click on Export and quick export as PNG. Here, select your desired location. Now let's open up that image. I'm going to place the image right here, and there you see. Now when you hit OK, you have these beautiful signatures ready for you. For this, the resolution won't matter as much since it will be used digitally. Now when signing documents or email, you can insert this PNG signature file. In Photoshop, just place it on the layer via copy-paste. For other programs, insert it just like you would do with any other image. Customize the placement and size as needed, and that's it. You have now a digital signature made in Photoshop that you can use everywhere. Thanks for watching. With just few easy steps, you can create digital signatures in Photoshop. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.